Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Justice, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY video on how to tie-dye your shoes. So I got all of this stuff from Walmart. The shoes were probably $5, this $2, and these were the most expensive, but it's kind of crucial for this project. So there are more markers that came with it, but I kind of already picked out what markers I wanted and put them in the order of how I'm going to color it. So for this project, they do use an eyedropper, but I didn't have an eyedropper, so I'm going to attempt to use a straw. It should work the same. We'll see how it goes. So when I was looking around for this project, I did see some people who just did dots everywhere, but for this one, I'm actually going to color it almost like a rainbow and just keep going and going until I go through all the colors. And then we will use the rubbing alcohol. So I'm gonna start with yellow, and I'm gonna kind of start off to the side right here and just kind of make little half circles, and then I'm gonna color them in. And then I'm just gonna go on to the next color and do the same thing. It's almost like just creating a really, really big rainbow. I got the first one all done. I kind of did this side just a little bit differently, and I left some white spaces in there. So now we are going to get started on the other one, and then we will be able to use the rubbing alcohol to make the tie-dye effect. Okay, so we got the shoes all finished. This one, I left a lot of white spaces because I want to see kind of which method is going to work better. So we have this where there's really no white spaces, and I kind of did it on this one and this where there's more white spaces. So we're going to use the alcohol and the straw, and you kind of drench the shoe in this, and the colors will spread around and tie-dye. So I'm going to finish the rest of this shoe, and then we will see what it looks like all finished. So this is the first one all done. It kind of spread it out a little bit. Work on this one. And this is how they turned out after drenching it in the alcohol. And it didn't turn out quite the way I wanted, and I think the problem with that is I didn't put enough white spaces in between. But overall, I still like the way it turned out, and it was still kind of a fun project. You kind of have a real creative control on this project, and it was still really fun. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.